Hello, parents, teachers, and mentors. This is Mr. E, your STEM OG in Shenzhen, China, the Silicon Valley of China. And I want to show you very quickly the different parts of the Arduino IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. And it's called integrated because you have all the stuff in here that you need to develop your projects. Let's go through it. So at the very top, you have file name. I'm going to give you an example today of the temperature humidity sensor, DHT11. Here you have the toolbar, your typical toolbar, file, edit, sketch, and we'll go through a few of those. The next bar here is we have our compile button. Compile means to just verify the code. So here's the code. And so let's say before you upload it to the device, you want to just check and see if it's right. So you'll compile it. Here you have the upload button where it actually uploads. See if I can show this to you. It uploads to your controller. All right, that's the compile and upload. Here is the device I'm using. So I will go to Tools, Board. I'm using Arduino Uno. I check that. And I need to make sure that cord I showed you is connected. So I'm going to go to Tools, Port. I'm on COM 8. All right, so now it's connected. I'm ready to go. Well, let me just check my code. So here's my sketch editor, or it might be called a code editor, because in Arduino lingo, the code is called a sketch. So here's my sketch, and we'll go through this in the lessons. Here's a particular line here that says serial begin. What is serial? Well, serial is the serial monitor. That's this part down here used for debugging. And in our case, I can't move, there it is. In our case, it's going to show the temperature and humidity that's being read from the temperature humidity sensor. All right, so let's go ahead and upload the code. See down here is compiling. And it's done uploading. Pretty quick code sketch. And I come over and I check. Okay, it's working. I didn't pull any plugs out by mistake. And you see our humidity is 43 degrees or Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. So there you have it. We have the toolbar, compile, upload. We have our library. Did I show you that? Let me see. So we have our libraries. Now this is what makes it really integrated. So in order for me to communicate to this DHT11, I have to have a library, a set of code that communicates. Otherwise, I have to know it myself. In the past, you know it yourself. But now it's integrated. It's already in there. We have to add it. And it can communicate to these different devices. Another reason why it's integrated. All right, that's it. Arduino integrated development environment. It's in there. Mr. E, your STEM OG. Remember, think big, start small. Talk to you soon.